I think that there is a precognitive bias in terms of we're judging folks on their actions and not on their intentions. My mother is one of the best people on the planet. She also happens to be a very bad driver. She inadvertently cut someone off and got in front of her so she couldn't move forward and was shouting obscenities at my mother. That was my first experience as a recipient of road rage. Roadwave was created to connect unknown drivers in mere seconds to make driving safer.
Roadwave is a display that goes on the rear windshield of your car. It can be used with a dedicated remote or a smartphone app, depending on your preference. The display can show text, emojis, or any other graphic formats. We have designed a streamlined process to mount the display to your car. We integrated various technologies into the product, not to just address the problem, but make it user-friendly.
Roadwave comes with Bluetooth 5.0. All the convenient features are Bluetooth, but twice as fast and 4 times the range. The high pixel count on the LED screen allows you to see it from more than 50 feet away.
I think saying, "I'm sorry, that was an accident," that's trying to directly undermine the fundamental attribution error. It is saying, it was the situation that caused me to do this. If it's successful, if it gets the person to think about the situation that you were in rather than your disposition, I think that's exactly the type of thing that could de-escalate conflict.
While developing this product, we've noticed what an epidemic this has become. People are losing their lives. Our hope is we can increase communication between cars and de-escalate some of these situations. All of us are guilty of a traffic infraction here or there. It doesn't make us bad people. And we need to communicate that the intent is not bad. And that's what Roadwave is meant to do.